Rosby family. My name is Wanya.
And my name is Anna.
As you know. And today is an exciting event because we're going to the New Year's Eve fireworks and we're really excited. And we are really excited to take you with us there today. And we hope that you enjoy this moment with us. And we really hope that you enjoy this video. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. And I'll see you there. Oh, this is Aisha.
Hi.
Bye. So we're all going. All right. See you there. Hi guys. We're in the bus now, and we're heading towards Elizabeth Key to see the fireworks. And we really hope that you enjoy this journey with us today. So we're in the bus. This is Fatima. This is Amina and Aisha.
Hello.
And this is my dad and Muhammad. So we're really looking forward to this, and we really hope that you enjoy. So we'll see you there. So guys, we just got off this station, and the bus station, and now we're headed towards the new bridge.
It's right there.
Yeah, it's right there. This was the new bridge made, and look, it looks really nice. And now like we're all like, it's all around this cars. It's so busy. Sorry?
We can go on the bridge. There's so many people.
Yeah, and like I'm gonna give you like a closer look in when we go on the bridge. So right now there's like a whole way to it. So guys, it looks so fabulous, and it's so busy today because of the fireworks and stuff. And like it's all the buses and all the cars are going, so it's really busy and it's really nice out here. A good weather, and we really hope that you enjoy this journey with us. Alright, I'll show you when we get to the bridge. We have the beautiful sunset with the Swan River, and here's the bridge, guys. So I'm gonna give you like a look. So it goes like this, and it's pretty nice. So there you go. This is the bridge all the way through. It's pretty nice, and when you give it like a closer look, it's so beautiful. It's amazing. The weather out here is beautiful and everything. And there's the sea with the sunset, and this is the walking place, the pathway, and it's pretty nice. It's lighting up, and it's bringing its colors out, and it looks beautiful. It's just lighting up. As all the colors, the rainbow colors, and it's just changing colors. It's really beautiful. There's canoeing happening. People are canoeing in the Swan River, and it's sunset now. And it's a beautiful view of the buildings, and it's really nice.
Like art.
Yeah, and like the buildings are lighting up over here all the way, and the bridge is right here, guys. So right here, and then as you can see, there's buildings there lighted up there. It's really nice. So, yeah, and here's the bridge. It's a place for sitting and just to watch the view, and the bridge is right here. And there, as you can see, there's like yellowish thing, and it shows these stars and shapes. And it changes colors, and as it changes colors, it goes like this. Here's Amina. Here's Aisha, and here's Muhammad, and here's Fatima, and here's me, guys. And then so as you can see, these stars change color because of the thing there. And this is the view, guys. It's beautiful. This is the bridge, and there's the sunset and the river and the lights. This is Amina. She's admiring Guys, fireworks finally started. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. So guys, this is the bridge turning colors, and there are the fireworks. Cool. That's actually cool. Ooh. Come on. Basketball. Alrighty. So we're golden, orange, blue, purple, I guess. They're so cool. Okay. Ooh, wow. Wow.
Beautiful. It's an amazing display of lights and fireworks.
Finished, guys.
Almost about to finish now. Yeah, they'll go hard at the end.
Guys, that was the end of the fireworks, and we really enjoyed this beautiful experience, and we really hope that you enjoyed it with us too, Cosby family. And please be a part of our family by liking the video, sharing it, subscribing it, and hitting the bell icon. So we really hope that you enjoyed this video, and please be tuned for more videos like this and exciting events. And please don't forget to subscribe and be part of our family. And we really hope that you enjoyed. So peace out.
Peace out.